Hello. I'm so glad I have service. I'm at the top of, oh geez, I should have known this. This is almost 3,000 feet here. Gastonbury Mountain. And there's this lookout tower. Look at all those freaking steps. I thought I'd have to go up there to get service. But I have it here. I ain't going up the stairs. You guys don't need to see that view, right? I don't. But anyway, I wanted to check in because this will probably be my last opportunity to do so until a week. So in a week, I'm going to be at the Inn at the Long Trail. Inn at Long Trail. I made a new plan, and today's my biggest day, 15 miles. I have about 9 left, but if I can do it, the rest of the week will be either 13 or less miles. And then on the 2nd, I think it's a Sunday, when I get up there at the inn, I'll be caught up. I'll be caught up to my plan. And then from then on out, I feel like it's pretty solid. It's not hard after that. And it would just be awesome if I'm able to do that. You know, we'll see. I'm going to do my best. It's funny because for these 50 days, I've been trying to kind of think of each year of my life, reflect at least at some point of the day on being that age. So, 13, 14, 16, 18, and now I'm, 20, this is my 23rd day, something like that. So it's appropriate that these years, days in my 20s, I just got to put my head down and work hard, because those were the years I was popping out a baby every other year and just kind of in my own little world. So I will be in my own little world for the next week. I will have my phone on probably airplane mode most of the time because I need to save the charge. I'm not going to be able to charge for this whole week. I'm not going into any towns. I'm just getting her done. And so yeah, don't worry about me. It'll be a week before you hear anything. Unless I try to check in, and there's this one shelter I'm kind of worried about. It's called, I forget what it's called, but the little note says, because it's close to the road, it's prone to be used by non-hiking people. What's that supposed to mean? It's kind of scary. So if I have service there, I might check in just because it makes me feel like you're with me. Anyway, and that's on my agenda. It's like the only shelter that works with this new plan of making it up. So let's hope it gets done, and I love you all, and you'll hear from me in 1 week.